Hello. My hope is that if you're seeing this video, you're considering doing work with Wapiti. My name is Richard Harris. I've been working with Wapiti for the last couple of years. I founded a company almost 7 years ago now. Quite candidly, we floundered online. Our presence was ridiculously low. We finally threw our hands up in the air. We tried, like most small companies do at startup, we tried to do these things ourselves, and we finally realized that it just wasn't happening for us. Fast forward a couple years, we ran across Wapiti, and I got to tell you, listen, if you're watching this video, if you're considering doing business with Wapiti, there's no way that I can give a more glowing review of the results that we've had from this company. Dan and his team, they're incredibly responsive. They always make us feel like we're their only client. Furthermore, the work that they have done on our website, it's been extraordinary. Not only from an aesthetic point of view, the website looks beautiful, but from a real functioning point of view, how our website performs. We have seen a drastic increase, more than 100% increase in business from out of state through our website. We are consistently ranked on the first page of Google when searching for our keywords. Their team is timely, they're professional, they have answers, and they take on things both in and outside of their lanes to make sure that we're able to do business. Dan, so many thanks to you and everybody at Wapiti for a job well done. On our end, it's all money well spent, and we look forward to our paths being crossed with you for many years to come. Thank you.